All right, folks, we're back in doing, these are epoxy floors, epoxy over concrete. This section out front here we have not cleaned yet. In the back we've cleaned. Just use a regular 175 buffer. Some kind of neutral mopping solution. Light ratio. I've got 1 ounce per gallon in there, and what we'll do is clean this out here. We've already done the back, and then we have these fantastic pads right here. We got a medium grit 800, 15 fine, and very fine 3000 grit. We'll go over that floor with them each time. And we've got white pads in there. See if I can get one of them to come out. I think they're, let me set this down for a second. Okay, there's a standard white pad. Sometimes they're marked. They're a little bit softer than everything, so we'll go over it with that one time. So we're gonna clean with the red pad. Light solution of cleaning solution. Vacuum that up, wet dry it, vacuum it up, and then we'll do a damp floor with these pads, and then with the white one we'll do a completely dry floor. So it's basically a 4-pass process, but you can bring your epoxy floors right back up looking good, shining real good. So I will try to remember to do each step from the 815 to 3000 in the white pads and show you each process. All right.